Namaste, Sin Chao. What's up, everyone? I hope everyone is well. Welcome to Yoga with Master Payal. I am Payal, and today we are going to do shoulder opening yoga for beginner level. So let's begin the session.
Now we are going to do warm up for shoulder opening. Inhale, put your both hand up, interlock your hand, push your shoulder back as much as you can, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back and hold the position here. Exhale forward and then hands down. Drop your both hand on your shoulder and rotate your shoulder in a clockwise 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Now what you have to do, put your left hand up, bend your left hand, grab your left elbows and stretch your shoulder like this. Again inhale, exhale, another hand. Now how to do, I can show you from back side. Again raise your right hand up, inhale, exhale, stretch your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, stretch your another shoulder. Come back, inhale, exhale. And then what we will do the next posture, right hand up, left hand down, and you have to grab your both hand properly, interlock your hand. Those who can't able to do, they can use your strap or rope, anything, and then you can grab your hand like this slowly. If you can't grab your hand, you have to grab your strap tightly. Now do with another side. Again you can see in this video how I'm doing. Now try to slowly grab your hand properly and then you have to hold here. Now I'm turning front side and now I'm going to show you what you have to do. Again grab your hand properly, inhale, look up, exhale, go forward slowly, bend your body forward. Again come back, inhale, change your hand, again look up, grab your hand properly, inhale, exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. You have to do both sides at least 5 to 6 times. Now the next warm up, bend your both elbow and grab your elbow, push your shoulder back and then come forward. Again shoulder back, inhale, exhale forward, lengthen your spine. Inhale, go back, shoulder back, hold the position. Exhale, come forward, lengthen your spine and then come back. Now again you have to grab your strap from your back side. Don't grab widely, you have to only catch a bit. Now slowly go forward. Inhale, come back, exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine, open your shoulder as much as you can. Those who can't able to do, they have to do with the strap. Those who can able to do, they can do without strap. Interlock your hand and then go forward. Spine should be straight and then hold the position. You have to do at least 8 to 10 times. Now again I'm going to grab my strap. So those who can able to do, they can fold your strap like this, how I am doing, and then hold the strap both the corner and rotate your hand on your back side and front side. Remember your hand should be straight, don't bend your elbow. Okay, so those who can't able to do, so they can more wider your strap and then grab your strap like this and then try to close your hand. You can see in this video how I am closing my hand. You have to close your hand. You have to do first 10 times, again come back, again close your hand, again do 10 times, again close your hand. You have to do at least 4 to 5 times, means 40 to 50 times. Now again fold your strap like this, again grab your strap properly both the corner and then bend your upper hand and your down hand should be straight. Again bend your upper hand, down hand should be straight. You can see in this video how I am doing. You have to do opposite direction also, means anti-clockwise also. So now my warm up is finished. I am moving forward for my yoga pose. So bend your both knees and then drop your right hand and right elbows properly and then extend your hand as much as you can. and hold the position there, and then after that you have to interlock your both hand, and then slowly raise your both leg up, and then hold the position here. Your hip should be touched to your mat. Look down, knees straight, toes pointed. Now I'm going to show you another side. Again, drop your left hand, left shoulder, bend your both knees, interlock your hand, and then slowly raise your both leg up. You can see how I'm raising my leg up slowly. And those who can't able to do, they can do with the help of strap. You can see, first put your strap on the mat, and then while going down you have to grab your strap with one hand, then bend your elbow and then grab your strap properly, and then slowly you can raise your leg up. If you can't able to do leg up, you can put your both leg down and then hold the position there. Okay, now come back, drop your knees, then catch your block and bring your block to your front side of your mat, and then drop your both block equally. You can see the line, and drop your both knees should be in a 90 degree. Okay, your leg should be in a 90 degree. Drop your elbow properly on your block. You can see my leg position is 90 degree, and then drop your elbow. Exhale, go down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Try to push your shoulder down as much as you can, because you are beginner, so you have to press your shoulder down and try to touch your chest. I can do easily, but I am showing you how to do because you all are beginner level. So now push your block more forward, drop your hand, try to straight your hand, and then go up. Inhale, exhale down. Those who can't able to do, they can tuck your toes inside, and those who can able to do, they can flat your feet properly. Okay, now I'm going to show you the different pose. Drop your both block in one direction. Okay, and then your leg should be on your 90 degree. Drop your both elbow on your block, and while exhalations you have to go down. Try to push your chest and shoulder down. Okay, and try to touch your chin, because you all are beginner, you can't able to touch your chest, so try to touch your chin and nose to your mat. Okay, you can see in this video how I am doing, and then I'm going to show you the different pose.
Later.
Now we will do pose with the help of wall. So you have to drop your hand, and your hips and heels should be in the same line. Try to push your hand up as much as you can and touch your chin and chest on your wall, and then try to press your shoulder towards your wall. You can see my position here, and then come back, exhale. Now drop your elbow, inhale, try to touch your chin chest on your wall. Look up, and your heel and hip should be in the same line. Exhalations. Now again drop your hand on your shoulder level. Now try to push your shoulder down, look down, and then press your shoulder down. Now we complete our workout.
Namaste. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If anyone here new viewer, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, if you want to see more and more videos, you have to subscribe my channel, and then you can see my all videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, namaste, have a good day.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon.